Hello, English 2. Let's write a unified thesis sentence with topic sentences and relevant examples for our persuasive essay. You can find the instructions and a very brief essay template in Schoology. First, find your concept map from yesterday. Here are the topic choices. For illustration, I am going to do item 5, should the age for dropping out of high school be changed? I have created a concept map for this to use as an example. In the circle, I have stated my position clearly. I have taken one side of this controversial issue, and I've directly answered the prompt by saying no, students should not be allowed to drop out before age 18. And then in the squares, I have my 3 reasons why they should not. So with that, let's get going. First, let's copy and paste the thesis into a Microsoft Word document. So by clicking Control A, I highlight, and Control C, I copy. And I can also use the mouse and right click. Okay, I'm going to do a paste special here in a blank Word document. So here's, I go to my home menu, paste and paste options, paste special, brings me this pop-up. I go right here and click OK, unformatted text. Okay, that's my thesis, and now I'm just going to go back and look at my concept map for these 3 reasons. Okay, reason 1 is right here. Same steps, highlight, copy, paste it into Microsoft Word. Again, paste, go to the paste special menu, up here, and I use a lot of keyboard commands so I can do it a lot faster than this, but anyway, alright, there's my first reason, so I'm going to stop here. My premise is not allowed to drop out. Then I've said dropping out hurts not only the student, but society as a whole. Now I have to illustrate and support that. So my logical step is to say, for example. Okay, most of the studies show, I'm not citing any specific one, that a high school dropout is more likely to be incarcerated and therefore be a burden on society. Okay, then I'm just going to put more in parentheses, but I'd like for you to think through and discuss with a shoulder partner your reasons for this reason, the reasons that go behind this reason. So I'm just going to chat a few things and then move on. Yes, a 10th grade education doesn't go very far in this society. We are specialized, and we expect a lot out of people to even drive a truck or something like that. So keep those points in mind and develop them. One example is not enough, so I'm going to add more and go in addition. Okay, another way that society can suffer from a dropout is that society needs talented people, and dropping out does not give an individual enough time to discover those talents. Okay, and then I'm going to add on to that, because really few people understand and fulfill their talent at age 15. The talent can be a lifelong process. Okay, let's move back to the concept map now in PowerPoint and repeat the steps. So this is my second reason. So I do the same thing, copy paste, move it over. Okay, paste special, Okay, lack maturity in decision making. So even though most high school students will disagree, the fact is that students are called minors for a reason. Okay, and then I'm just going to put more in parentheses. And again, I'm going to talk through that if you talk to most adults, they may not even be that old. You can talk to adults that are 19, 20, 21, and they're going to probably say, yeah, I regretted dropping out of school. I had to work harder for it later. Okay, let's move back and do our third reason. And same process. And again, I want two reasons, two examples under each topic sentence. So same process. Okay, a teen is more likely to learn faster than an adult. Yes, indeed, one's youth is the ideal time to learn. Adults can learn, but adults that return to school later to finish it, adults that return to school later will more than likely struggle more. It doesn't mean they can't do it, though. It just means that it'll be more inconvenient. Okay, and there could be a variety of reasons behind this, that they have jobs, family, other responsibilities, and it's more inconvenient to get that education later, and also it's just easier to get it when you're young. Okay, so I'm going to also do the same, more. And now I'm just going to put conclusion here as a placeholder. Let's go back. Okay, so I have my thesis here, and I'm going to add an introduction later. So I'm going to just take the word no out of it and do this. I'm going to highlight it and click on it, right click actually, and this ghost toolbar comes up. I'm going to select the highlight feature so that I can track what I'm doing throughout this essay. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my topic sentences. Highlight, highlight, highlight. Okay, so I check and see, do these concepts match? Have I gotten off track? Do I have strong reasons that I can say more about? 1, 2, 3, yes. Now this part needs to be developed. We don't have to do everything today, but this puts us on track for a winning essay. See you in class, English 2.